Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Afiq Hakimi bin Ma'alil. Number metric 09 DKM20F 1002. Okay, I want to present to garbage collector. Okay, my supervisor is Wan Nolini binti Hussein. And my friends Muhammad Ijazir Azim bin Hairunizam and Muhammad Haziq bin. Okay, first I want to present about background of the project. Okay, the problem of garbage in Malaysia is quite worrying when we will often see trash such as plastic bottle, plastic bag, and drink box, cigarette butt, food package made of box, or plastic on the road, on the sidewalk, on or on the beach. So the cleaning industry in Malaysia need to further diversify the choice of cleaning tool to attract the public interest in collecting garbage. Because of the garbage collector was product to increase the variety of consume choice in Malaysia. This study need to be conducted to prevent Malaysia from becoming a dirty country in the eyes of other countries. Okay, problem statement. First, the garbage collectors, they also has some problem after careful study. One of the problem is that the garbage collection, they are not able to collect large quantity of garbage at one time. Second, the next problem is that it also has an adverse effect on the health of the user's bin. This is due to the length of the stick of the garbage collector not being long enough, and it causes the user to bend a little to collect garbage on the stick. If left undesirable, thing may happen. Third, this is because the existing garbage collection stick on the market can only collect one garbage at a time, and it will slow down the cleaning process. Fourth, garbage collector produce for collect the garbage swept by the broom and collect. This bin can be removed from its place if the garbage is full.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Saya Muhammad Haziq bin Abdullah dan nombor kad matrik saya 09 DKM 20F 1112. Saya akan meneruskan pembentangan ini dengan skop production. So, garbage collector for cleaning is an alternative to make work easier for worker cleaner during working. The purpose of this project is yang pertama, garbage collector is a tool for cleaning garbage such as plastic bottles and drink boxes. Garbage collector ini merupakan alat pembersihan yang direka khas untuk mengutip dan membuang sampah seperti plastik botol dan drink boxes. Yang kedua, the target user of this product are cleaning staff in all educational institution in Malaysia. So, target pengguna produk kami ini ialah staf pembersihan di semua institusi pendidikan di Malaysia. Namun kami lebih tumpukan terlebih dahulu di Politeknik Ibrahim Sultan untuk mendapatkan feedback daripada produk ini. Yang ketiga, this garbage collector can be used on flat surface such as cement floor, mosaic and tar roads. Produk ini boleh digunakan di permukaan yang rata seperti lantai simen, mozaik dan juga boleh digunakan di atas jalan tar. Dan seterusnya, fabrication and testing. The project should be tested to ensure the project is working properly and obtaining data analysis. Every project that is implemented and done must have advantage and its own weakness. As noted, during its testing on garbage collector, compared to the used broom and shovel, it was found that this project can reduce risk of back pain. In addition, garbage collector also make it easier for some parties because the garbage collected by this product can be recycled. This product also adds to the variety of cleaning tool option on the market for consumer to choose their cleaning tools. That will also help the economy of traders and also the country. So setiap produk yang dicipta mesti dilakukan testing untuk mendapatkan result bahawa produk itu boleh mengikut seperti apa yang kita rancang ataupun tidak. Dan setiap projek mesti ada mempunyai kelebihan dan kekurangan tersendiri. Seperti garbage collector ni mempunyai kelebihan seperti dapat mengurangkan sedikit risiko sakit belakang badan pengguna. Sebabkan produk kami direka dengan ciri-ciri yang mesra pengguna. Selain itu, garbage collector ni juga memudahkan sesetengah parti untuk mengitar semula sampah-sampah yang dikumpul. Ini kerana produk kami ini khas untuk mengutip sampah seperti botol plastik dan air kotak minuman. Dan itu sedikit sebanyak dapat memudahkan pihak-pihak yang melakukan proses kita semula. Produk kami ini juga dapat menambah pilihan alat pembersihan di pasaran Malaysia dan ia dapat membantu pengguna dengan menambahkan pilihan yang mereka inginkan. Selain itu, dengan adanya produk ini dapat juga membantu ekonomi negara.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Hijazi Razin bin Harun Nizam. So, hari ni saya nak terangkan tentang product demonstration and operation. Okay, firstly, the operation of the garbage collector product is use human power or manually to push the handlebar forward or backward in parallel. So, as we push, the ball bearing and bicycle wheel also move in the direction that user wants. Ball bearings and bicycle wheels also facilitated the movement of the products, and users will feel weightless because this product has a 6302 RS ball bearing. So in addition, when the product is pushed, the broom will rotate in the direction of the user push. So the rotating broom will turn and collect and push garbage into the collector bin, which is at the back of the broom. So last, collector bin can be removed from its place to dispose of the garbage. Then put it back to its original place and can continue doing activities. So next, this is a design of a garbage collector. So firstly, we do a sketching. This is a sketching of a garbage collector. So second This is a design from AutoCAD that we do. Maksudnya kami buat menggunakan aplikasi Inventor di komputer. So, yang ketiga adalah ini adalah design terakhir kami, di mana ini yang kami buat. Okey, untuk yang terakhir sekali ialah rujukan. Okey, ini adalah rujukan yang kami dapat untuk membuat projek-projek kami. Okey, itu saja. Sekian, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.